The Michigan-built CT5 ushers in a new generation of Cadillac sedans. The CT5 is a bit shorter than the existing CTS, but it's also about 2 inches wider. It's a very slight shift, and it gives the CT5 a new look, so it can compete against smaller luxury sedans, but still stay recognizable as a Cadillac. The CT5's exterior is dressed up with either bright or dark accents, depending upon which trim you choose. Even with its sloping fastback treatment at the rear, though, the CT5 still has a slightly smaller trunk than the CTS. Inside, the CT5's 5-passenger interior resembles the cabins in other modern Cadillacs, and the control layout, including the gear selector, is similar to what you'd find in the XT4 SUV. A confusing infotainment system was one of our biggest complaints about the old CTS, so it's good to see some improvement here. The CT5 comes standard with a 237 horsepower, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. A more powerful twin-turbo V6 is also available. A full complement of advanced safety systems, including low-speed automatic emergency braking, comes standard. SuperCruise, the partially automated driving system, will be available on select versions of the CT5 in the calendar year 2020. While no car available today is self-driving, we think SuperCruise does a better job than similar systems at making sure the driver's paying attention and the car is operated safely. When CR tested the Cadillac CTS, we said it was one of the sportiest cars in the midsize luxury class. And when we buy and test a CT5, we'll find out if it lives up to that reputation. To learn more about compact and midsize luxury cars, check out consumerreports.org.
you